Thailand News Today, no drugs detected in system of daycare center killer 1. Thailand lowers flags to half-mast to mourn daycare center massacre victims. Prime Minister of Thailand Prachon Ocha asks government agencies nationwide to fly their Thai flags at half-mast today to mourn the victims of the tragic daycare center massacre in Nong Bua Lampu province yesterday. The spokesperson for the PM's office, Anucha Barakizri, said the Prime Minister was deeply saddened by the news yesterday. He requested that state agencies raise flags to half-mast on October 7 to pay respects to the 37 victims killed in the tragedy. The Thai nation's heart broke yesterday when 24 children under 6 years old were violently killed. It was the biggest mass shooting in Thai history and one of the biggest massacres of children by one killer in recent human history. His Majesty King Maha Vajiralongkorn, Her Majesty Queen Suthida and Prime Minister Prat are on their way to Nong Bua Lampu province to visit the injured and offer their support to the families of those who lost their lives. Yesterday, President of the Privy Council General Sarayud Chulano visited a child survivor of the attack at Udon Thani Hospital. A 3-year-old boy was stabbed and shot twice in the head. Skilled neurosurgeons successfully removed the bullets from his head. His mother Joy said she fainted when she arrived and saw the blood. Officials and agencies around the world have expressed their condolences to the families of those affected by the tragedy. The gunman killed 37 people, including his wife and 3-year-old son, before committing suicide. The police have asked the public not to share graphic photos of the victims which are circulating online out of respect for their families. Meanwhile, people around the world are mourning. Thailand U.S. National Security Advisor Jake Sullivan released a statement on the attack. The statement reads, "The images are heartbreaking, and our deepest condolences go out to the families who lost loved ones. We condemn this act of violence and stand ready to assist our long-standing ally Thailand in whatever they need." UNICEF has released a statement defending the right of children to learn and safe. No child should be a target or witness of violence anywhere, anytime. Early childhood development centers, schools and all learning spaces must be safe havens for young children to learn, play and grow during their most critical years. UK Prime Minister Liz Truss has tweeted her solidarity with Thailand. She tweeted, "I am shocked to hear of the horrific events in Thailand this morning. My thoughts are with all those affected and the first responders. The UK stands with the Thai people at this terrible time." UK